right, check it out. I was up to that 38.45. That was like 5,400 or something total. That's crazy. It'll go back up. Look at it, all took a nosedive. Not a huge one, but look at that red bar. That means that call was, they were all up to 308. No, 375, 381, 381, $381, not $3.81. This, so each one of these were another 100, plus this one, the QQQ for 311. It goes up faster. It was up $200. I bought that put right before it went down, and it's up 100. It was up more than that. They'll come back. I got time. I got money set aside for my buddy Weber when I see you, or I'll sell it if you want me to. If you see this, I'll let you know. QQQ. Got to buy them puts when the market's up. They're cheaper. Then when it goes down, it makes you money real quick. If it doesn't and the put goes all the way down, that just means your calls went up. Right now, you want to buy more calls than puts. Before, you wanted to buy more puts because it was a bear market. It's turning into a bull market, though. All right, we'll talk to you later.